In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat for beginners. It's going to be the ultimate Snapchat tutorial intro. First things first, go ahead and download Snapchat from either the App Store or the Google Play Store and open up the app. And then from here, you need to either log in or tap sign up to create a new account. When signing up, enter in your name, your email, your password, and choose a username that you're happy with. And once you're inside Snapchat, you're going to be put on the main camera screen. You could tap the circle button to take a photo, or you could go ahead and hold it down to take a video. At the bottom, you'll see different tabs. The chat icon takes you to the messages section where you can see all your friends, so you can message them from there. The little people icon is going to take you to the stories page. These are probably going to be the main 3 tabs that you'll be on. But you also have Spotlight, which is kind of like TikTok, or you also have Snap Map, which is going to be like location-based stuff. But the process is really that simple. Let's say you go ahead and want to add some friends. So tap the little person icon with the plus icon up in the top right. This is going to take you to the add friends page where you can go ahead and add your friends from there. There's also notifications on here as well. But to send a snap itself, go ahead and take a picture, and then you can edit it, do whatever it is that you want. For example, you could add text, you could go ahead and you can make stickers. There's a bunch of stuff on here. It's worth messing around and playing with. There's also a bunch of filters too. So go through, choose the filters that you want, and then hit send and send it to whoever you want. Your friends will appear in here. It's that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.